In this video, we'll show you how to record calls on your iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. So to do this, you will first need to open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll all the way down and tap on apps. In this menu, you will need to find the phone app on the list and then tap on it. Here you will need to scroll down again and locate this audio call recording option. Now make sure this option is enabled. If it's not enabled, simply enable it. Now dial any phone number. Once you are on this call screen, tap on this more option at the bottom and then select call recording. Once you do, you will see a 3-second timer. So wait for this timer to finish and it will say the call is now being recorded. Your call will be recorded and you can also take notes using this option. Now anytime you want to end the call recording, simply press stop or end the call. Now open the notifications panel and tap on this recording saved option. Now here you will be able to see the recording. You can also hear it or see the transcription. Now if you want to save the recording, simply tap on it. Now tap this 3-dot icon here and you can then save the audio to the Files app or share it with someone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.